Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bucketflow, and today we are going to see about Share Responsibility Model of EC2. Before starting, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and check out the other videos as well. You can check out my portfolio as well, rakeshwan.in. Let's get back to our topic. Have you ever wondered what if my EC2 instance get hacked? It's my fault or AWS fault? In this video, we will clearly understand the Share Responsibility Model of EC2, who is responsible for what with a real life example and an easy diagram. So let's get started. So before starting, let's take an example of a house. You have a house, okay, and you are living in that house, kind of renting, okay. So AWS owns the house and you are paying each month as a rent. That's what say responsible model. AWS should manage the house and you should take care whatever the things inside the house. That's called, if I take a simple example, that's a share responsibility model, okay. So AWS is responsible for a security of the cloud, security of the cloud. So that's include, so let me take, yeah, so that means a physical server is managed by AWS. Server and the storage storage hardware hardware and network network cable and host OS and hypervisor. These are all this managed by AWS. And what you need to manage, if I take a note here, security group. You need to manage the security group. It's like a lock of your house, okay. You should be always locked when you left, okay. You need to manage the security group of your EC2 instance. That's the one thing, okay. And then the after that, isolation of of physical server, okay. And replacing faulty hardware, okay. And last but not the least is a compliance validation. These are all the things managed by AWS, okay. And it, what you should manage, okay. So security group, we had taken which port should open for which users and all. This is all managed by you only. AWS is not going to AWS is not going to help you there. And after that, we have a OS patches, PATCH patches, and update. You should update your OS regularly up to date. Okay, AWS is not going to help you there. You need to update your OS. And the software in, installation. So basically, whatever the software packages you are installing in your EC2, you should be aware whether this package is safe or not, like that. And then the IAM roles, okay, what IAM roles you are assigning to your EC2 instance and how you're going to manage those IAM role, which policy you have assigned, okay. And then the IAM access, whatever access you are giving to your IAM role. Like last but not the least, which is data security. Okay, whatever the data inside your EC2 instance, you should manage how you are going to manage and how you are going to allow the access to your data. So basically, this is a simple shared responsibility model of EC2. Just keep in mind, you have a house and you are renting in this. Whatever inside the house, you should take care. Whatever the house and infrastructure is there, AWS should be take care of that. Okay, so this is what the shared responsibility model of EC2. If you're new to this channel, you can subscribe and check out other amazing videos. We have a long playlist related to AWS and all. And if you can check out my portfolio as well. See you in the next video. Bye bye.